My name's Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. How do you manage subscriptions and content that have been posted by maybe a member on your website? Let me show you what I mean. If we go to the admin end of the website, we'll go to My Members and search Members. When you scroll down and you look at your members, so we've got a sample member 3, sample member 2, and a sample member 1, you've got a list of actions that you can bring up just by hovering on the word actions. But you can also simply just click on the name of the member. So for example, sample member 3, we'll load that up, and we can see pretty much everything we need to see within their account. We can see their contact information, their membership information, and their lead activity. We can see any transactions that they've performed on the website, which will include transactions through digital products or other services. We can see their subscriptions by clicking on the subscription. We can see the profile analytics if we have activated it within the membership plan area. We can see any posts that they've posted on the website, any reviews that they have had submitted. We can also manage and control this information by using some of the drop-down features that are here. And we can also look at their activity as well, so website activity for that member, and we can see when they've logged into the account and what they've been doing. We can send a direct email by just clicking on the send an email. We can log in as a member. We can edit the status of a member, so we might want to change their membership plan, add some SEO content, or we might want to feature them on the home page. So that's really useful for the edit status. We can view their live profile as well on the front end, and of course we can delete them permanently by clicking on this button just here. So it's a really useful tool to see everything just at a glance when we're looking at a member's account. I hope you found that information useful, and thanks for watching.